Good morning. I am Emmanuel. I am here to share the insights which I derive from the data sets which was sent to me by TATA group of company. I must say that I really appreciate the leading questions which accompanied the document that actually guided my analysis. And I believe the insight which I derive from the data set would help business expansion. So before the analysis, I perform data cleaning. So basically, the lot of errors, inconsistencies were removed from the description column, which were not relevant to the analysis. And the two conditions set out in the document were applied on the quantity column as well as the unit price. From the quantity column, there is no quantity that is below 1, as you can see, and on the unit price as well, there is no unit price that is less than 0. Let me go straight into the chart. So the first chart is revenue data for the year 2011. I know the CEO is interested in viewing the seasonal trend for the year in order to forecast for 2012. And according to the charts, from January to June, there is fluctuation in revenue. And from July to September, there is a continuous increase till September. This actually shows an element of seasonality which the CEO is interested in viewing. And of course, from September, the increase in revenue continued until November, which was $1.5 million. And there is a sharp decline in December. So the CEO might want to investigate this. So moving on to the second chart. The second chart is showing the top 10 countries with highest revenue and quantity. Let me say at this point that based on the Chief Marketing Officer requirements, I have excluded United Kingdom from the chart. So apart from United Kingdom, these are the top 10 countries with highest revenue and quantity sold, and of which the Netherlands happen to be the first on the list, and Ireland follow. And the last on the list actually is Belgium with 41,000 revenue and 23,000 quantity sold. Moving on to the third slide. The third slide is it's showing the top 10 customer with highest revenue. Basically, according to the Chief Marketing Officer, is interested about the top customer that generated so basically the highest generating customer is customer ID 14646, and the lowest is customer ID 12346. The last slide, according to the CEO, is interested in knowing all the countries with respect to the quantity sold. So basically, as shown earlier in the second chart, Netherlands has about 200,000 quantities sold for the year 2011. You can see Ireland is there. Basically, there is a lot of opportunities in Europe more than any other region. You can see Australia is also 84,000 quantity were sold in Australia, and of course, there are a lot of opportunities that can still be tapped in South Africa, Brazil, USA, and Canada. So this is my findings. In case you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. Thank you.